Welcome back everyone to my YouTube channel. Today we are here with another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to download, install and set up a VPN app called MavenX VPN. This app can help you get a more stable and secure internet connection while browsing online. This app is available on the Google Play Store. Before we begin, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe, like, share and comment if you don't understand something, so you don't miss any of my future videos. Now let's get started. Open the Google Play Store where you can easily search and download Android apps. In the search bar, type MavenX VPN. From the search results, select the correct app by checking its name and icon. Then tap Install. Once it's installed, tap Open to launch the app. When you reach the home screen, you'll need to do a few simple settings before using it. First, tap on the three lines at the top of the screen and select Online Update. This will update the app's resources so you can get the best performance. Next, tap on the box to choose your network name. From the list, select UDP World Unlimited. This option usually works in all countries. If UDP doesn't work in your country, you can select another available network name from the list. After selecting your network, tap the Start button to connect. Wait a few seconds, and as you can see, the VPN connects successfully. That's how you set up and use MavenX VPN to get a secure and stable connection while browsing online. Thank you for watching this video and see you in the next one.